Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello, dear class fellows. My name is Ali Reza. My roll number is 923. My topic is food gradient and nutritional value. टॉपिक हमारा है फूड ग्रेडियंट्स एंड न्यूट्रिशन वैल्यू। लेट अस डिस्कस। हम आज इसके एमसीक्यूज पर बात करेंगे। इसका सबसे पहला एमसीक्यूज है, which of the following nutritional factor has been shown to best predict long-term mobility and or mortality। सबसे न्यूट्रल फैक्टर कौन सा है जो कि बेस्ट है मोर्टेलिटी पर और मोबिलिटी पर? इसका है टोटल फैट इनटेक greater than 30% of consumed calories। नेक्स्ट इसका एमसीक्यू है, देयर इज मच एविडेंस इन फेवर ऑफ डाइट हाईली मोनो अनसैचुरेटेड फैट। द potential drawback of this diet compared with diet highly complex carbohydrate is that mono unsaturated fat may result is there is much evidence in favor of diet highly monosaturated fat। इसका आंसर है हाइयर ट्राइग्लिसराइड लेवल्स। अब नेक्स्ट एमसीक्यू है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ऑप्शन रिप्रेजेंट हिस्टोरिकल फीचर ऑफ द सब्जेक्टिव ग्लोबल असेसमेंट। फैमिली हिस्ट्री ऑफ सेलिक डिजीज। आगे ऑप्शन एमसीक्यू है हमारे पास, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज एन एब्सोल्यूट contraindication of parental nutrition। osteoporosis। which आगे एमसीक्यू 5, which of the following option represent potential complication of internal nutrition। इंटरनल न्यूट्रिशन में कौन सी हमारे पास पोटेंशियल कंप्लीशन होती है? इसका है एस्पायरेशन एंड कॉन्स्टिपेशन। इंटरनल न्यूट्रिशन इज प्रीफर ओवर पेरेंटल न्यूट्रिशन फॉर ऑल द फॉलोइंग रीजन एक्सेप्ट stimulate gut barrier functions। You are asked to see 26-year-old man with chronic disease. He has been admitted to hospital 3 days ago with small bowel obstruction secondary to fibrostenotic disease of the terminal ileum. Prior to 3 days ago, his oral intake was normal despite ongoing abdominal pain and diarrhea related to his Crohn's disease. He has lost 2 kg since hospitalization, but his weight was stable prior to that. He is scheduled for surgery tomorrow for terminal resections. His surgeon asks for your advice regarding nutrition and sport. Why you start TBM today expecting post-operating benefits? Yes, he is at risk for poor wound healing and infection based on his recent lost weight. Would you recommend delaying surgery for TBM to improve outcome? Yes, he may have a reducing oral intake post-operatively and lose more weight. Which of the following statement regarding internal न्यूट्रिशन फार्मूलाज इज़ ट्रू? न्यूट्रिशन फार्मूलाज कौन से इसमें सही है? सेमी एलिमेंटल फार्मूलाज आर मोस्ट cost effective than पॉलीमेरिक फार्मूलास। इसका ई है आंसर। आगे हमारे पास 10वां MCQ आ गया है। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज एन एक्सेप्टेबल मेथड फॉर डिटरमाइनिंग कैलोरिक नीड्स फॉर न्यूट्रिशन सपोर्ट। सर इसका है हमारे पास अंडर वाटर वेटिंग। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ क्लिनिकल कॉन्सिक्वेंस ऑफ रिफीडिंग सेंड्रोम। रिफीडिंग सेंड्रोम में क्लिनिकल कॉन्सिक्वेंस कौन सी नहीं होती? इसमें है हाइपरवोलेमिया। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग micronutrients is routinely added to TPM? Vitamin E. A 50 years long old man has a massive small bowel reaction secondary to a volvulus 1 year ago, leaving him at 75 centimeter of small bowels. If he did not receive adequate nutrition support, how long would it take to develop biochemical or clinical evidence of essential fatty acid deficiency? For 1 year. Which of the following medication can be added to TPM in the appropriate clinical circumstances? इसमें है नारकोटिक्स। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू रिगार्डिंग सेंट्रल वेनियस कैथेटर इन्फेक्शन इन पेशेंट रिसीविंग लॉन्ग टर्म होम टोटल पेरेंटल पेरेंटल न्यूट्रिशन? इसका आंसर है सी फेमोरल कैथेटर reduce the risk of catheter infection compared with subclavian catheters. In which of the following clinical situations should greater than 1 proteins per kg body weight dash to provided in nutrition support? इसका है obese patient. Which of the following gut hormone is responsible for promoting dash appetite? इसका है leptin. Next, which of the following hormone play an important role in inhibiting dash appetite? सर इसका है peptide YY. Which of the following statement is true regarding weight reducing agent and mechanism weight loss? इसका sibutramine exert its action by inhibiting pancreas lipase. Which of the following statement regarding the side effect of weight reducing agent is true? Sibutramine and predispose toward abdominal diarrhea and startorrheas. Which of the following is not adipocytokine? सर इसका है resistant. Which of the following is an acceptable indication for pharmacotherapy to induce weight loss in overweight obese adult? सर है इसका waist circumference 80 greater than 88 centimeter in female. Which of the following statement is true regarding probiotics? Milk is an example of food source containing probiotics. Which of the following is an example of prebiotics? Yogurt. All of the following are manifestation of zinc deficiency except rash. The patient in question 2 above developed gradual onset of shortness of breath, 3 pillows, orthopedia, and paroxysmal nocturnal dyspnea with mild ankle edema over a period of 8 months. These syndrome may be a result of which of the following? Zinc deficiency. magazine deficiency, which does maximum small bowel adaptation over post small bowel reaction 8 month. Which of the following food does not contain gluten and is acceptable for patient with celiac disease to consume? Sir, इसका beer. Which of the following statement regarding protein intake a patient with chronic liver disease? Animal source of protein should be consumed more frequently in patients with chronic liver disease. Which of the following statement regarding macronutrients value is true? सर इसका है प्रोटीन प्रोवाइड 4 किलो calories gram kilogram consume. Which of the following statement regarding fiber is true? इसका सर है soluble fibers has been shown to reduce. Which of the following value represents the recommendation daily intake of fiber per day? 25 to 30 grams. In studies that have compared internal nutrition to corticosteroid in adult patients with active Crohn's disease, what percentage of patients treated with standard nutrition above entered the clinical remission? इसका है 60%. Which of the following patients with short bowel syndrome is likely to require long-term home total parenteral nutrition? सर इसका है small bowel length 75 centimeter and width and gynostomy. A product lists the following nutrition information: protein 19 gram. Which of the percentage provided by fat in this product is 38%? Which of the following component of energy expenditure generally account for the largest portion of 24 energy expenditures? Total energy of catabolism. Thank you.